Mm. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading stocks and futures. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2026. And yeah, we're finna get into these charts. Finna have a nice trading day. But before we do, let's go ahead and get our prayer in. Okay? So first thing first, bow your head. Dear Lord, we come to you today once again, Lord, coming before you just in your presence to be able to lift your name up, Lord, to give you the highest praise, Lord, to continue to just say thank you for just everything you continue to do for us. And the things that you do that we may know and things that we may not see, Lord, the miraculous ways that you move, doing things that only you can do, Lord. No man can do, no other person can do, Lord. Only you can do it, Lord. And we just want to thank you for that. Thank you for allowing my mom to have a successful surgery yesterday, eye surgery. Um, Glad that she moving well and in good spirits. We also want to thank you for just continuing to bless all of our loved ones, everyone that's here on the stream today, Lord. I ask that we continue to just cherish the moments we have with family and friends. Not only just, you know, thinking about growing our lives and focusing on trading, but enjoying life that you provided for us, Lord. Let us be able to just be grateful for each and every day that you allow us to be here on earth. As we go on the charts today, we ask for the knowledge that you provided for us, Lord, that the confidence that we gained over the time, that all the different tools that we gained during this trading process, Lord. I ask that we use it to full effect today, that we don't allow greed or um, fear or any other things tempt us, and we fight against temptation of those bad habits and um not wise decisions, Lord. I ask that we be wise, we be patient, we be confident and bold in our decisions, Lord. No matter if we win, lose, or draw today, we wanna be thankful for the opportunity, and I ask that we continue to grow each and every day. All things in Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. First thing first, economic news wise. Let me pull it up. Well, actually, give me a second. I gotta send the stream out, and then we're gonna pull it up. Send the stream out, and then we're gonna pull it up. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. All right. I'll pull up the economic news for. I'm gonna pull up on my phone. I ain't gonna pull it up on screen. I'm gonna just tell y'all. Um, calendar. We had ADP non-farm employment change at 7:15 already came out. Um, at 8:45 we got PMI. 9 a.m. we got PMI. Then 9:30 we got crude oil. So two PMIs back to back. 8:45 and 9. It is when the market opens, so we gotta be careful. Don't want to be caught into that, but yeah, that's what we got for today. Now, looking at the charts, let's go to SPY first. And y'all know it's Wednesday, so we are incorporating the options today, y'all. So any of my future traders, I'm gonna go over the charts, but we are incorporating options today because it is Wednesday. This is when we start doing our options and everything. So if you're looking for futures trades and stuff, like I said, I will jump in some future trades, but it's 50-50 today. We got options and futures for today. Looking at SPY though, yesterday we ended up pushing down low. Um, at the very beginning of the day we dropped, end up breaking the potential new higher low at 675.78. But then we ended up pushing all the way back above, all the way up to 680.83. So we did make a lower low. We did make a lower low, but we ended up pushing all the way back up to the 680s area, and we ended up closing green. So that can be confusing for a lot. Because you will wanted to go short when we broke. If you did go short when we broke, you did good. Taking it down to that daily gap, you made your money, but it ended up coming right back above it. And when it came back above, that's when we took the longs to the upside yesterday. But for today, what do I expect, or what do we expect for today? SPY, honestly, if we stay above what's this gap number? Let me see the exact number. We stay above 680.10 and we build an uptrend, I will be looking for potential longs up to the 683. Well, currently where is it basically? To the 683 level. So if we come back down here and retest it and we make a uptrend, I'll probably look for them potential longs up to 683. If we end up breaking above 683.69, I'll be looking for this, what we had the other day, what we was looking for the other day right here. I'll be looking for that loans up to 688 area. Okay, so if we get a break above the 683.60s area, 69, we would look for the loans above there. Okay. Let me mark this out where this gap is at and put a white line there. All right. Other than that, that's really all we look for right now. Looking on the hourly, it's in the uptrend, so we got high, low, higher, low, higher, high, but higher, low, higher, high. We in the higher high spot. So honestly, only way you can look for a trade currently is if you look for a continuation, but it had to close past its previous structure high. We failed to close above, so we should see some type of slight pullback before trying to go back up. It looked like it's doing that. A slight pullback before trying to push up. Maybe on the 5 minute we can look for a potential long entry, but I more so would want to see that hourly close above this high at 683.23 to at least try to come up to that 669 area. But yeah, the cleaner trade is to wait until it get above this 684.26. Once we above there, that is a lot cleaner trade to take to the upside. But earlier entry will be down here. If we end up coming down at the beginning of the day and we get a red candle, I'll just wait for one green hourly candle and I'll look to go back long again to continue this uptrend. Okay, going to QQQ. Should be the same thing looking for that SPY. Let's see. Well, it looks a little different. I mean, it look a little bit the same, but a little bit different at the same time. Looking at QQQ, we closed green also. We broke previous structure lows. I mean, we made a lower low. Literally the same thing that SPY did. It ended up pushing right back up above the previous lows we had at 593.34. I'm gonna change this to white because it broke it, but it never closed below, so that's why I'm turning it to white. So what we may see is if we get inside this daily gap, it look like we gonna be inside it unless somehow we drop before news come out. I mean before market open. We be above this daily gap at 602.17. Possibly look for retest down back to it. See if we make an uptrend off of it. Click to try to take it up to 606. If we end up pushing above 606.70, make an uptrend above there, we look for longs, possibly up to that 610.60 level. Okay, that is what we're looking for today. Shorts wise, I forgot to say about for shorts for SPY, but for shorts, honestly, you'll want to see a downtrend underneath that 602.17 level. Downtrend underneath there, look to take it down to 597 and see if it can keep pushing lower. But honestly, for the shorts, I need a red candle on these dailies. Oh, my bad. Were we looking at QQQ on the weekly? Wow, we was. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry. We definitely were looking. It still apply the same though. Look like it still apply the same. Let's go to that weekly. It looked like it applied the same levels. Yeah, it applied the same levels. My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. I dang clicked on the weekly by mistake. My bad. But it still apply the same thing. For the longs, we want to see it above 606, 70. Look to take it up to that 610. So it's still the same thing we just said. Shorts need to be underneath 602.17. Look for a downtrend to take it down to 596.64 potentially. Okay. Going to, and then like I said for SPY, if you want shorts, honestly, I'm not looking for shorts unless we get some red counts, the red daily counts. But like I said, if we see a downtrend underneath any of these daily gaps, it's potentially setting up to make a red counter. So downtrend underneath 683. 69. After touching it though, we gotta touch it first, then make a downtrend. Then look to take it down to 680. Okay. Going to futures. Got about 10 minutes for market open. So give me a second. Going to futures. Looking at M&Q. Yesterday, it was M&Q chart looks a little bit more different than QQQ and SPY. They ended up closing green after sweeping the previous low and making a lower low. M&Q did close red. It did close red yesterday. Let me remove today so we won't be confused with it. We did close red. Okay. Us closing red. Let me remove these hourlies also. Remove these hourly. Okay. So we did close red on M&Q. We did make that lower low. We had higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Just broke it. And we got a downtrend right here on this most recent section. So we got low, high, lower low. Key level for this downtrend to stay intact is at 25,100 level. That's that main key level right there. We're gonna mark that. What color? What color? What color? We'll just keep it white for now. We're just gonna type lower high or LH. Okay. So that lower high is at 25,100. That's that key level. If it breaks that, then this slight downtrend will be over with, and we might be trying to push back up to that 25,495 level. Looking at yesterday, like we said, we swept the low, failed to close below the low. We did close red, so it's still saying technically look for a low. But by sweeping the low and failing to close below, I expect us to push back up to do some type of pullback before trying to retest it again, if we want to retest it, because that pullback could just switch straight to breaking the trend. Okay. So for me, if I wanted to be with follow this bear trend right now, I'll be looking for shorts either below 24,802. We make a downtrend underneath there. Look to take it down to 24,755. That is a tight gap. I usually don't like trading in them tight gaps like that, but it is a potential entry for shorts. And then the last hope and chance that you got for them shorts is either 24,995 rejection. So let me turn the magnet off so I can show y'all a rejection here to take it back down, or 25,058. So the top of this gap will have to be a rejection. Once it get above this gap, then it's pretty much gonna take out that previous structures. If we build base above it, it's gonna take out that previous downtrend structure. Okay. For the bulls, honestly, if you want to be bullish, one, you're going against the most recent trend. I will say that you're going against the most recent trend. You'll have to get in on a lower time frame, like the 15 or 5. But potential loans off of these daily gaps, like if we come here, 24,748. If you see an uptrend forming off of it, you can look to try to take it up to 24,802. If we end up pushing above 24,904.50, uptrend form up above there, you can look to try to take it up to 24,995. The better trade for the bulls, though, the better, cleaner trade for the bulls is once we break this 25,100. If we make an uptrend above there, then the loans look even cleaner. Okay. Just because you're going against this daily structure, got low, high, lower, low, it's kind of you gotta basically trade on the lower time frame and scalp it. If you're trying to take them loans. Not until we get a green daily candle, possibly get a high, low, higher high, then boom, uptrend form. Now I'm confident in my loans. All right, going to NYM. We're gonna keep this day on replay, so we won't have that day in the way. Check out NYM real quick. NYM end up also doing the same thing. Swept previous structured lows, end up closing back above it. Did close red, so we expect what, a slight pullback, but before trying to drop and retest these lows, which it already did. Oh, my bad, I forgot I got it on replay. So yesterday we closed green. Wait, no, what's today? Wednesday? What the world? I thought I had replay on. I guess it didn't take that day away for NYM. But so I was right the first time. My bad, y'all. I was right the first time. We swept the low, came back, closed above. We should expect some type of pullback, possibly to the daily gap, and then try to retest that 48,000 488 level. Should be trying to retest this, seeing if we trying to build structure below it to keep dropping. Literally that'll be the trade we'll be looking for. Either we come retest, get 48,623. If we make a downtrend underneath it, look to take them shorts back down to 48,448. If we get to 48,488, make a downtrend underneath there, we look for them shorts to see if we can push all the way back down to these recent lows again over at 48,089, possibly down to this daily gap at 48,017. For the bulls, if you want to be bullish, honestly, you needed to either above this daily gap here at 48,732. We build an uptrend above. Look to take it up to 48,853. If we come to retest this 48,448 and we fail to make that downtrend underneath, and we end up making an uptrend above, look for the loans back up to that 48,623 level. Okay. But looking at the chart, it's in a downtrend, so I would more so say if you're trying to get in them loans, because I can see it potentially being bullish. We failed to close below previous structure, so we potentially could be trying to break this downtrend. But you got to think you're trying to get in a little early. The market hasn't revealed itself to go long just yet, so you will have to kind of scalp it until it actually start revealing itself. When you see that daily start giving you a higher high, higher low, higher high, then it revealed itself ready to go. Okay. Key level though that we're watching out for to keep this downtrend intact right now is this lower high right here at 49,126. Breaks that. That's potential break of the downtrend. Well, it is a break of a downtrend, but it potentially could be setting us up to start making the uptrend. So I'm gonna set alert here. And market should be opening in about 2 minutes. Oh, I got on replay mode. Come on, man. Now you gonna say replay. And it looked like that's what we did. We did come down, retested, but it looked like we rejected it. We rejected it to go back below it. But we, like I said, we got PMI at 845 and at 9. So gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. I'm gonna set that alert on the M&Q. And like I said, today is more so our option day. So it's 50-50. So I'll probably just trade QQQ and just still be able to look at my futures today. Because QQQ is M&Q, so if I trade M&Q, I could just buy based off of looking off my M&Q chart. Let me call Pops and see if he want to get on today. If not, then it's okay. We ain't gonna sweat it. 1 minute for market open. But we ain't in no rush though, because we probably want to wait until all the news come out. He ain't answering, y'all. He might not be getting on with us today. He might be asleep. Oh yeah, he ain't answer. He might call us back, but he ain't answer. All right, market opening up. Let's see if this uptrend gonna still stay intact. See if this uptrend want to stay intact. We got that higher high. This the hourly, y'all. This that hourly. Do this uptrend want to stay intact? Seeing if we can build base above here. Like we gonna get that first breakout green above. Okay, so green above. It's a hard push, but we gonna have to wait. Cause if it just push straight up there too, if it just does, I ain't really trying to take a breakout right now. Technically, I could have took a breakout here for continuation, but I more so want to see a base get built. If it just shoot up, it just shoot up. It just shoot up if it shoots up, man. We ain't gonna sweat it. Mm, mm, mm. I want to see it build base above 24,894. Really, even above the daily gap, that'd be nice. You know what? We could see if my boy Mel want to get on though. See if my boy Mel want to get on if he on here. Mhm. He might not be able to get on either. Let's see. All right. Yeah, we ain't got. All right, we solo dolo today. Then I guess we solo dolo today. Hey, it look like it potential for to make this uptrend here. Need a green candle and break above that high. It's just probably gonna be super quick trade because it's probably go straight to 995 and then come back down. See if it's gonna build this uptrend. Mm, 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 mm. Got a green candle, just gotta break the high at this point. So buy here, sell here. See if we can break that high. Okay, Mel said he'll be free on the call in 30 minutes. Bet, man. I'll hit you up in about 30 minutes. Alright now, come on. Why is it lagging? Bro. Oh my goodness. Like, why we lagging now? It's gonna lag when we get in the trade. That's crazy. Let's see if we keep this uptrend. If not, we just take the loss for the first one. Really want to see it close past. And I don't know why we lag out of nowhere. Literally, when the market decide to go in our trade, we get lag. That's crazy. A red counter here gonna suck, man. Come on, we needed to close past the high. Don't close red. Don't close red. No. Close past the high. Push on up. Alright, we're gonna bring stops up once we sweep this high again. Come on. We want to see it just go. Ah, come on, come on, come on. It might come straight down and kick us out instantly. That'll suck. Why is we experiencing such bad lag out of nowhere? Dang, it really came back down to kick us out instantly right after making the uptrend. It looked like it. Yep, it's alright. It is what it is. First trade was a loss. We'll take it. Wasn't a bad loss. We was looking for that continuation. It closed past previous high. It did sweep that high, and it just decided to come right back down. So it is what it is. Not too upset about it. Let's go. That's why we're gonna sit on that higher time frame. That's what that 1 minute does to you sometimes. That 1 minute they do it to you sometimes, man. It'll give you that. It'll give you a little bit of a trend, and it'll come right back down on you. That dang lag kind of threw us off, but it's okay. I probably need to close my Ninja Trader. Yeah, let's close the Ninja Trader for now, and I'll trade my Ninja Trader when I get off stream. Cause maybe that's giving us a little lag. I did want to trade it though, but maybe that's lagging us. I don't know. But we literally didn't get no lag until it what's the name? Till we got in the trade, or when it was about to get in the trade. That's when we got the lag. The NYM dumping. Let me go check this NYM out real quick. I know we can't trade it right now on my funded futures, but it's dumping. I just had to look at it real quick. All right, M&Q, what you gonna do, man? You finna push back up? We need green counter. Made a lower low on the 1 minute. Then we made a high. And we closed back below it, so we needed to build structure right back above it again. Just gotta wait. Gotta be patient. See what it wanna do. It might be the move. Might be to wait till what's the name come out? What you call it? PMI come out. Market might be trying to chop until we get that coming out. We ain't gotta wait too long. 8:45 and 9. And that NYM chart I was looking at, that's not the real time data. That's why it look different than my Ninja Trader. I have realized since they not letting me trade it with my funded future, it didn't give that real time data, so I can't even look at that NYM chart unless I look over here on my Ninja Trader account. That market moving slow this morning. And that 1 minute trade we took earlier, I just thought something. I kind of broke my rule. I shouldn't went in with 3 because I was on the 1 minute. Should only went in with 1 or 2, knowing that the 1 minute can break, easily. Not until that 5 minute gave us uh, a nice trend. But of course, that was unfortunate. Just to go over the trade we took them loans. We basically got in on number 3. 1, 2, boom. Number 3 when we break above. Got in, stop losses at 2, which is perfect. Like I said, that was exactly how we're supposed to take our trade. But of course, what I tell y'all with number 3, it's a B trade. Soon as it take the high, it can literally come right back down. And that what it did. Took the high, closed past the high. It did. So closed past do show a sign for what? Continuation, right? And what it do? It did continue. It just took the high real quick and came right back down. You see that? Barely took the high. This was 24,969.25. This was 24,970. And then it just immediately came back and broke the trend right after. So, of course, unfortunate circumstance, we would like to see that uptrend stay all the way up to the 995 level, but it just decided not to. You can't be mad at it. The only thing we can do is try not to oversize. Like I said, knowing I'm on a 1 minute trades, I should really be entering in off of just one contract at a time. If I find my trade 5 minutes or higher, then that's when I can do 2 or 3. Why did it log me out? It be doing this every single day. That's what I should get in 2 or 3, honestly. When I see it on the 5 minute. Well, I say 3. I can get in 2 on 1 minute, but 3 should be only 5 minutes or higher. So that's our job, is not to oversize. And I admit that first trade we did oversize. We did oversize because we was looking for a quick scalp to that high. It got very close though, but it didn't get all the way there. So it is what it is, man. It just is what it is. So we waiting. I'm gonna change this to an orange line so I can remember that this is the hourly high right here. Cause I was looking at it and I said, "Why I got 2 white lines?" That's the hourly high, and this is the 5 minute low. So I need to change this to blue. But like potentially we can break that 5 minute low. I don't know though. On MIM, we did break the low. I'm thinking about it. MIM just was bearish this whole time. See what's gonna happen. We got that. I would say we got news coming out in 2 minutes. Then we got some more in 15. So 15 after that. Oh, wait. Options wise, I don't know. I might have to look at my options after the hourly counter come. Cause on options, I want to what I gonna say? The options I want to take it based off the higher time frame. Look like we finna come take this low out though. That would look like if we close red here. 5 minute. This would have been a better trade, honestly. If we would have got in off that 5 minute, would have seen a little bit more green. But it's okay. No, we basically got it. Let me see. On the 1 minute, did we get in around the same spot? Now we got in higher up. Yeah. We got in higher, but the thing was that 5 minute counter wasn't done, so we didn't know if it was gonna be green or not. All right, we did take the low. We did take that low. See what's gonna happen now. We did take the low. All right, we just secured quick little $10 on MIM shorts on my Ninja Trader account. I was gonna hold a little further, but I ain't want to play around. That news finna come out. I said, no, I ain't finna mess with it. I just took my little $10 on my MYM. And like I told y'all, when it comes to my Ninja Trader account, I'll be happy with $30, $40, stuff like that. I'll be straight. Think about potential loans here if we switch back to an uptrend. Need to see this downtrend break on that 1 minute. Look like we finna consolidate, honestly. That's literally what it look like we doing is consolidating. Literally look like we consolidating, y'all. Consolidation. Alright, we broke. I'm gonna take some light long. See if we can push up. If we come back sweep this low, it is what it is. And that's gonna be a scalp. I'm gonna be in and out quick on this trade. Like we're gonna trail soon. Soon as we touch that hourly gap and stuff. Alright, let's get ready to trail. See if it run. Alright, we up 102. Take that high, take that high. Ah, come on, take that high. Okay, took the high. We trailing with both, so we ain't doing partials with two contracts. We gonna do both of them get kicked out, and we just take our money. See if we can close past these highs. If we can close past that, it'd be beautiful. Ah, we out, we out, we out. Okay, nice, nice, nice. That was a nice trade. We're gonna wait and see if we can get a higher low situation coming, and then we'll take a long. Take a long, long, long. See if we start making an uptrend. I really don't know if I want to take the long if we break this high just yet because we'll be breaking above this daily gap, and I want to see that uptrend above the daily gap, and that'll make this uptrend be below the daily gap. So I don't know if I should take the long just yet, and by me not knowing, we'll just get in one contract if it do it. We just only getting one because it could just sweep, make that higher high, and then come right back down. That's the thing. So I'ma wait on it. I really want to see this 5 minute make a dang structure, man. Come on. Like we made a higher high, then we just made a lower low right after. Okay, it did like it's gonna sweep on that 1 minute. That's why I said we might do one contract, but that's it. Oh snap! Did we get filled? We did not get filled. What the world? I was trying to get in soon it tapped the bottom of there, but we did not get filled. Let's see what this counter gonna do though, cause it swept that high. Is it gonna close green or is it gonna close red? We're gonna wait. Close red, we not touching it. Cause it could, like we said, it can sweep it and come right back down. We gotta get in off of green counter. Watch out, look like closing red. Could come right back down, make that lower low. So be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Let's see if we can get a green counter here without taking this low. You take that low, can't touch it. See what it's gonna do. It's almost look like it's gonna take that low. Did it take it? I can't even tell. Let me see. 869.75, 869. No, 8. Yeah, it took it. It took it. Literally what we said. That's why I said I had to be careful, man, because I was like, it could take that high, make that higher high, but it can sweep it because we got this daily gap, and if we want to see the uptrend above the daily gap, this uptrend down here is below the daily gap. So that's why I said I was hesitant of taking that trade because what I always tell y'all, we want to see it build base above the gap if we want to take the longs, not inside the gap. We want it above the gap. Well, when it got above, we got one green counter close above, the red counter closed back inside it. So it wasn't a trend above it. Now we can get a green counter come back above again, see if a red counter can come and then make an uptrend above. See if that happened, but we chilling right now. We chilling, man. Oh, man! Today off day from the gym. We get to dang enjoy it, man. Well, everything we are. Mm-mm. Good thing. I'm glad we got our that one trade though. Did get a nice little scalp, but now we're trying to see what this mud trying to do, man. What it just trying to do? It's literally in this consolidation area right here, and then it broke out the consolidation, made a higher high, but it didn't keep running. Then it made a lower low, and it didn't keep running. So we still trying to figure out what we want to do. Let me mark the top of this right here. Might be trying to make this uptrend. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. I'm gonna put white lines for this consolidation area. All right, we look like we're gonna go up there and touch the top of the consolidation. All right, we about to touch it. Come on, it should be going up there. Let's get in one light in case they want to break this area. One light. I'm about to set stops right on that consolidation box. Don't close red. Come on, man. Don't close red. Let's get one close above. At least one close above. Take that high. Nice. Can you close above that high? Is the question. We got a lot of time though. I'm gonna still set it. Do got a lot of time. It could stop me out, which it just did. Dang it. I was about to say we do got a lot of time. It could stop me out and then go right back up. But I just wanted to say I wanted to secure some money. It was alright. It's okay. We'd rather see it build structure above 24,928. At least we caught like $20 right there. I mean, all of it add up, man. All of it add up. Okay, like we're finna get close above. We could potentially grab a loan here, but it's more on continuation. I kind of would rather see it make an uptrend above this 24,928, or at least just close above this previous high right here. This could be a big green candle here, and we just get left behind though. Could be it. Come on, what you gonna do? Oh, if it's come back below, we glad we ain't get in. Come on. And then that means it's probably gonna come right back down, consolidate some more. Is you gonna break out? Might be trying to break out. Let's see. Let me get my options ready, y'all. Get my options ready. Okay, it's red. Oh, I thought we was finna get a red count. Oh, dang it. I wanted us to get a red counter. I wanted that to be red and the next one be green. That would have been an ultra and above. I'll be sure that we're coming up to these highs at 970. Right now, it still can do it because it did close green above. But I would rather seen the structure because it make me feel more at ease. I mean, it still can go up there, but I just rather would have seen green, red, green. Okay, we pushing back down. Look like pushing down right now. See what it's gonna do, man. What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? Alright, look like we gotta be back consolidating. Let's see. It's closing back below it. Closing back below the consolidation range. We got 5 minutes for this hourly though. If we can close above this hourly level at 894, that'd be some sign of continuing to the upside. Okay. If we can close above it. Give us a green count. I'm gonna grab a long here. I'm gonna grab a long here if we get a green counter. Oh, should I grab the long? Cause that is lower, low, higher, high. Should we grab the long, y'all? We might grab one light long just to see. Let's grab one light long just to see if it breaks. If it don't, it just don't. See if it breaks, make this uptrend here. And if it does, we want to add another. If it breaks up there, we want to add one more. And then sell one here. And then sell the other up here. Oh, snap. I just thought about it. We got that dang news finna come out. I just thought about that. Come on, what you gonna do, man? Come on, what you gonna do? I don't want to see a red counter, honestly. If you bet club red, I'm bringing stops here. Oh, okay. Come on, man. Go take that dang high. Hurry up for the news come out, man. Dang. I'm probably gonna close myself, y'all, if we don't get it before the news, man. Cause I can't deal with that news. Heck no. I don't care if we close for $3. Shoot. This close red here. This probably gonna make me be ready to close it. Uh-oh. If it do close right here, I'll just bring my stops up. 6, 4, 3, 2. Alright, stops brought up. We make that lower low, keep me out. Alright, I'm out. So we only lost $18. That ain't nothing. We good. Yo. Dang, you asleep, wasn't it? Hmm? I said you was asleep. You ain't answer earlier. Huh? They ain't consolidating right now. Just only can scout. We ain't really moved nowhere since market open for real. Market just consolidate. Okay. Oh, here we go. As we finna break. Get this break above here. I like a long break above here. All right, we broke. See what we run. Stop loss is super far down though. That's the thing. It very well could have dragged us into something we ain't supposed to get in. Let's see. You know what? I don't even like this trade, honestly. I think I'm gonna cut it as soon as we get into the green. I don't even like this trade. Push up, push up. All right, we're gonna set stops there. I don't even like it. Yeah, keep me out. I ain't really like. I ain't like that trade. I ain't like that trade. Even if it run, I just didn't like it. I need to see a close pass here on the 5 minute. Even if it were to hit our TP. Huh? Yeah, I just didn't like. I just didn't have a good feeling about it. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere right now though. I told you gotta look at your news. Now I ain't gonna keep explaining it to you. You gotta look at your news now. They had news at 9 o'clock. Yeah, but I wasn't. I ain't always in. I ain't really like that trade. I took the loan, but I ain't like it for real. Cause when I look at the 5 minute, yeah, it made a higher high, but my stop loss have been all the way down at like 24,813. So I really didn't like that. So I said, nah, you know what? I'd rather get out that trade instead of risking like that. So like it still could run, but I just didn't want to risk like that. I'd rather see some base build. Hmm. Yeah, I look for a better setup. Cause technically it did make a higher high, but I ain't got enough. My solidified level was too far away. Yeah, if it closed above, I might look for a continuation. But I'm gonna still go light just because the solidified level would have been super far down. But if we had a solidified level closer up to it, then I definitely would have got him. But since the solidified level so far now, I can see it dropping hard like it's doing right now. That's why I'm glad I got out that trade. We would have lost like $300 if we would have stayed in that mud. I'm glad I got out. Yeah, I'm glad we did not. Y'all see, this is exactly what I was trying to tell y'all. If you look right here, like I said, it swept that high. It did sweep that high. We made that higher high. And I was like, when I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, it's green. But my solidified level had been all the way down here. So that's why I was like, I wasn't sure. And the previous counter was red. So I was like, even though it's green now, it could come back and turn red on us. And I didn't want to play around like that. So I'm glad we cut that trade. We only lost like $28 on that trade versus losing almost $300 on that trade. Okay, if it closed green here, this is an uptrend inside this trend. Maybe we can look for potential longs and use this 24,880 level for our stop loss. And we did close above that hourly gap. I mean, the hourly high. It's potential. I'm thinking potential longs here. Potential longs here. Looking like potential longs here, y'all. I need to see at least a green candle for this 1 minute though. Above 24.98. 928. Thinking potential longs here. 15 seconds. 12, 10, 9. Ah, it's coming back down. Come back down. Oh, it did close green. We kind of missed it. We did kind of miss it, but it's alright. It did close green. Let's see. Will it start making an uptrend or is it finna make a downtrend? It need to stay above that 928 level though. Need to stay above 928. Yeah, I'm in. I'm in. I told you I'm just looking for it to stay above 928. See if we can make this uptrend. We make this uptrend. I think we will get to that 995. We can make this uptrend. All right, we closed past previous 1 minute high, but that don't really mean anything. We need to push. Come on. Key level we trying to see if we can get above is 970.50. We got to get above there. 970.50. We go retest it. I'm gonna bring my stops up if we go retest it. Bring stops up to about 958. Come on. We looking for that 995, man. Okay, we retesting it, bringing stops up to 958 like we said. It might kick us out, but we trying to see it. We're trying to trail tight because this is, little danger zone. Come on. Push up, push up, push up. Go take them highs. Go take them highs. We finna bring stops up. Stops to 964. 964. Okay. If it don't keep holding, oh well. Come on, take that high. Nice. They got a 995 almost. Almost got to 995. Come on. Don't take that 995. We're finna bring stops up to 977. Come on, take us up. There we go. 995. All right, let's see if we can close inside it. We'll just hold. We're gonna keep our stops at 980.50. No, let's bring it down to 980 flat or 970, 975. If we retest it, we just get kicked out. I'm out. You out? Yeah. All right. I just like 175, bro. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, you done came up. Come on, push, push, push. Let's see if we can squeeze through there. I'm good. I'm up 275 on that thing. Oh yeah, you straight. You ain't even got to trade no more. Nice push. Yeah, I'm good. Ah, we came right back below it. I set my stop. We setting stops at 980, 984. It's probably gonna kick us out because we did close back below it. It might sweep down here and then go up. That was looking like. Ah, come on. You said you up 270 though. You said you up 270 on your account.
Yeah, 275.
Oh yeah, let's go. And you just jumped on, didn't it?
Yeah.
See,
I won $75 over my phone.
see.
I mean, I did $100.
Oh, so you won 75 up on the day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And you just jumped in the trade we was in. That's crazy. All right, we finally got that close above. Bruh, don't retest this 984.25, bro. Oh, it's pushing hard. It retested. We got kicked out. It's cool. We still made some money. Still made some money. We just wanted to see that continuation. That's all. Oh. All right, we gonna wait on some more structure again. That was quick and easy one today.
Man, that was easy, boy. That's easy money.
I told you, easy.
Money. It ain't even 9:30.
That's what I'm saying.
A nigga up for an hour paid $175 in a day.
That's what I'm saying. You was on for about 10 minutes. And not even that. Probably 5.
I ain't been on for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes, $175.
Yeah, and that's how you gotta look at it. That's why you can't treat it like Monopoly. Like, man, I just made 175 in 10 minutes. Shoot, that's the whole shift at a job, you know?
Yeah. I just did Dollar General in an hour, in 10 minutes. I mean, in 10 minutes.
That's how you gotta look at it. So when you be up, you can't be sitting there playing around with your money. giving it back to the market. You can't be giving it back to the market. Then you gonna be on that. Then you gonna be on there from 8:30 to 3 o'clock doing your whole full shift trying to get it back.
Yeah.
We ain't trying to be traders to have to clock in for 8 hours.
Yeah, man, ain't nobody got no business on this boy for 1, 2. You done got up at 7. You ain't got no business on there that long.
Yeah.
You trying to lose some money.
Alright, we finna take this high. Dang, I ain't even get to get in. Dang it, I was about to jump in, y'all, but it just had went so fast, I can't do it. It took that high instantly. Could see us keep running though. Go on about the rest of your day.
Go take care of mom. Go take care of mom.
I'm about to say, take care of the rest of your day. Don't go back on them charts.
Man, I ain't gonna open this laptop
I was like, no, you better not get back on them charts. That's all I gotta say.
Close for the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. But same bat time, same bat place.
Yeah. Dang, they gonna instantly come back out. We might cut it right here.
You still over there? You over there eating though, right?
Shoot, I'm down on this one trade right here. We probably finna lose it on this one trade. Yeah, we down on that one. We trying to see the continuation go. But we gonna call it at 9:30 still, regardless. I take my money and get out. But we is trying to see the continuation. You hear me?
Yeah.
But let me call my boy Mel, see if he want to get on. He did want to get on the call with me.
day. Good looking.
Alright, like I said, don't open that mud back up.
I'm not gonna touch it. I made $200 a day. I feel good. Almost. I'm over made 200. I feel good. I'm not gonna feel bad.
Hey, I'm up about $30-$40 on my live account. See, I told that live account I don't care if it be $60 because I can withdraw that the next day. See.
Then that trip.
Yeah, and then I let my prop accounts. I just be like, okay, let me get 200 a day. I'm straight.
Yeah. But it is what it is, man.
All right, then, love you. Huh?
I love you. Appreciate you.
Hey, no problem. We're finna call my boy Mel, see what he on.
Okay.
Bet. Let me call my boy Mel, see what he on. Oh, my boy Mel, let's go. My boy Mel up. Let me call him. We all in them eating. Let's go. Everybody eat. Everybody eating. Hello?
What's up, bro?
What up with you? That what you closed for today?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You done with them charts, right?
Yeah, I'm not touching them right
Good.
now.
Okay. Look, my dad, he just got on, made him $200 in about 5-6 minutes. He took the trade we took on stream, them loans, but he had got in 2 or 3 of them contracts. He made his money. He said, I'm done for the day. I told him,
Yeah, we done learned our lesson,
y'all
man.
don't play around. Take your money and go.
Yes, sir. We
Yeah.
done learned our lesson. Going back, cause look, that 250 I done made right there, bro.
Yeah.
No, 294. My bad. That 294 that I made right there, that's damn near more than what I would have made. Say for instance, I was still working out as a Sonic. That's 3 days pay.
Yeah. You gotta stay disciplined, bro.
Got to.
I'm glad to see everybody in them eating. Then I would have made me some money on my live account too. So I'm happy about that.
Yeah,
Now I am down on that My Fun and Futures account. But my live account I'm up. Huh?
You say your fund the future account?
Yeah. I'm down a little bit on it, but not that much.
Yeah.
We gonna make it back in about a trade or two.
Yeah.
But my live account I'm up on the day, so I'm glad about that. You know, I care more about that live account than anything.
Yeah, for sure.
But I'm glad, boy. Everybody ate today.
Yeah.
That's
That was
good.
today a good day for real.
Trying to look for this options play potentially.
I'm trying to make sure I stay consistent over
Mm-hmm.
these 4 days. Cause shit, right now it's looking like what 2,400. That's like 8 days of 300. If I could do that, I'm already cooked.
That's what I'm saying. So just be consistent. Take your money. And leave that mug alone.
Yeah,
You know.
it ain't no need to trying to get it all in one day. I'm over that shit.
Mm-hmm.
That shit wasn't doing nothing but fucking me up.
For real. No, I'm glad to see it, man. It made me happy to see everybody eat. Everybody
Yeah,
had a
man.
good day today. That's a good thing.
Gotta take time, bro.
All right, then. Shoot. I just want to check in up on you. That's all. I'll let you go and enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, for sure, bro. Shit, when you, I probably get back on at the evening market just to look and see if I see anything worth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So maybe around like 5:36, I probably check it out again.
Oh, okay. When the new session start.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right then, bro. Enjoy your day. Don't even focus on the chart. Just enjoy your day.
Yeah, nah, I'm gonna enjoy the day, bro. I'm gonna hit you up later though when I do peek back in.
All right then, bet. 'Cause I'm about to end the stream in a little bit.
Alright, bet.
Bet. Dang, y'all hear it. Everybody ate today. I'm glad it's here, man. It just make me feel good when I hear everybody that had a good day. Make me feel good. Dang it. I was trying to get in on my options. I ain't gonna lie. I was trying to get in loans right there on my options. I kind of missed my entry. It is what it is, though. We did miss our entry. Let me go look at QQQ. Uh, uh, got an uptrend above there. Oh, okay. Might not even get filled. Might not get filled. That was my fault. I put the buy X a little too wide. Dang it. I mean, I put my bid in a little too wide, and I missed my. I didn't get filled. And the market pushing up. Dang it. Let me go change my order. Dang, and it jumped up crazy. I done missed my dang field. Let me go look for another position then. Why y'all shooting? Missed my entry, bro. That was a quick $100 right there. I don't even feel comfortable getting in right here now. Jeez Louise, bro. Let me go look at the 5 minute. I'm a little upset. Missed my dang entry, bro. Cause I didn't put the right field. Ah, I'm mad, bro. I'm mad. 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 I swear I'm mad. Mm-mm-mm. Missed my freaking entry, bro. Just because I couldn't dang set my stuff right. Well, really, I just filled at the wrong time spot. Dang, bro. Get us some red candles, please. Bring us back down. Bring us back down, please. Shoot, bro. They real deal set me up. Like, why? One thing, why Weaver don't automatically like change the price when you click on the contract? Like, it keep, bruh, $200 just like that. That would have been an easy $200 move. Oh, I'm upset, man. Let me go to the 15. I'm so dang mad, bro. Cause I don't even want to jump in right now, cause it pushed up so hard at that point. This is that key level here. I ain't gonna push up too hard for me. I don't feel comfortable getting in. Oh, I'm so mad, bro. They really set me up. This was my freaking entry right here, bro. Dang. This was my dang entry. I tried to get in. I seen that uptrend above this daily gap. And I was like, bro, that's the entry right there. Oh, I'm so mad, bro. Now it's just running. And I missed my dang entry, bro. Cause live, I just jump in. One red candle could bring us all the way down. I'm gonna literally lose a whole bunch. I ain't trying to do all that. Oh, the NYM looking nice. Hold up. I'm looking at the NYM. It looking nice. If we can close above the high, I like this NYM loans. You need to push up though. Bruh, NYM, I know you ain't closed red immediately like that. We really finna come right back down, NYM. If you don't come on, push up and quit playing. Wow, NYM really? Come on now. Push up, big dog. NYM broke it. Ain't touched that. Let me go look at option. Man, I'm a little sorry. I would have been up 200 on the day, bro. I did jump in here, y'all. I'm up about 45. Probably take it up to 16 and get out. But yeah, dang, I would have been up like $300-400, bro. If it would have got filled where I was supposed to get filled at. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all know y'all made me mad. I'm gonna tell y'all now. Market made me mad today. They did me dirty with that. Oh, nice. We eating good off this NYM though. We eating good off this NYM. And we about to get ready to sell this QQQ if it don't keep pushing. Alright, I got QQQ set. NYM we out. QQQ push, bro. It's finna kick me out my QQQ. No. It's finna kick me out. We still made money though. We still made money. We ain't even mad. Oh, we closed above. Modify order. We closed above. Oh, I'm bringing the stops up. We brought stops up even higher. We closed above, bro. No, push up. Don't come down. It's finna kick me out. Push up. Please push back up. No. We finna get kicked out. Push up, push up, push up. Don't kick me out, please. Let me just see a rip to the upside. Let me get my 200 on the day. No, 25 seconds. Just come take this thing high, bro. We up 100, but golly, y'all playing. One tick low, literally, if it touch this low right here, I'm out. It's gonna kick me out. Come on. Don't kick me out. Close green, close green. Yes. Take the high. Go take the high. Yes, sir. We bring stops up. We bring stops up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Y'all know I'm not fast with this. I'm not fast with this. Stops. We brought stops up. We brought stops up. Close past this dang high, bro. Quit playing. Close past the high. Yes, sir. Let's go. Close past the high, bro. I can't see y'all. My bad, y'all. I ain't know if y'all can see that. I'm bringing stops up even more. It's finna keep me out. I thought we finna close past, bro. I got kicked out, I think. I think I got kicked out. No, did it kick me out right before it broke it? Oh, I'm still in. Uh-oh, change the stop loss. Let me modify order. Oh, no, I'm kicked out. Orders. No, I'm still in. I'm still in. Modify. Bring stops up even more. Shoot. Let's go. Just keep closing green. That's all I want to see. I don't see no red. Let me sell this one. Ah, red. No, we got kicked out, I think. I think we got kicked out there, y'all. Let's see. Let's go see. Did we get kicked out? Yeah, we did. We still made money today. Oh, man. We got kicked out, but we gave up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. That was nice, bro. That was nice. We didn't make our $400 we would have got if we would have dang got in when we tried to. We was trying to get it down here at 607, bro. Trash, bro. I literally set the buy order. I pressed buy when it was right here. It said my bid price was like 280. Literally this very next 1 minute candle pushed up, and when I pressed bid, it went to 303. So then I had to go try to edit it. By the time I edited it, it already shot up all the way up here. So I was like, dang, bro. Literally missed out on all of these green candles. And I didn't get in until right here. But even right here was a quick $120. So, oh, it's gonna keep going. It's gonna keep going. It's okay. But yeah, hey, we made some money. We good anyway. We ain't even sweating. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. Y'all have a good one. We is down. I'm gonna be honest. We down on our my funded futures, but I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna try to make it back when I end the stream. Um, Probably later on though. I'm probably not gonna do it right now. I'm probably do it around lunchtime. Try to make it back to break even on that account, but I'm not really too upset with that because that is a prop account. But my live account we up, and my options we up on the day. So everything that I'm able to withdraw the money tomorrow, I'm up on. So y'all have a good one. Your boy